Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bonk, which I wanted to cover for multiple reasons. I actually do think that if you look at Bonk right now, compared to other cryptos, it's actually one of the strongest cryptos out there still. Most altcoins and most meme coins are making lower lows, right? If we're talking about the drop we had the 28th of June, 24th, excuse me, and then the drop we had today. Most altcoins, including Bitcoin, are lower. And Bonk is actually holding that. Now, so far, I mean, I must say, it's a bit of a minor level here at 1800, which you can see historically as well. It's been respected, but it's not a major support level. It's not as strong as the level, for example, we dropped down below at 2000. So we're still bearish, all right? I'm just telling you that at some point of time, like if Bitcoin will find support, and everything right now is still very, very much correlated to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin finds support, I think Bonk is actually one of the cryptos that has most potential. It's still at this point of time, like we've lost a lot of momentum. The market is still shit. There goes the monetization. No, but the markets are still bad. We still had a very significant bearish breakout right here below 2000, and we had that. Well, we haven't had that yet on the 12-hour time frame, but it looks most likely we will get that. So everything is bearish, but so what you should expect is that we'll drop down lower. All right. So if you look at the daily time frame, what that means is that we drop down below 2000 to 200 EMA. Next major support level is probably right here at like 1750, which is pretty close. But ultimately right here at 1500. So purely technically it looks most likely, and you should expect that we will drop down lower towards 1500, which is still a drop of about 25%, I believe. Yeah, 25%. So that looks most likely, all right? That's just the market. We've had a significant dump. There is an expectation of more dumping, or at least bearish pressure in the next month. It's the summer, so there's not a lot of money to be pumped into the markets. So it's just all not great, and that's why you should expect the worst. But at some point of time, and this is what I think you should be prepared for even more, at some point of time Bitcoin will find support and will gain some momentum. The moment that Bitcoin finds support and Bonk is able to get some sort of a bullish reclaim, I do think it has potential. You can see right now the momentum right here is also super low. So there's no, that's also why I'm telling you, like, I think it's most likely Bonk will drop down lower. But once we actually do see support for Bitcoin and we see some sort of momentum return for Bonk, then it can happen fast, all right? If, for example, Bitcoin starts to be a little bit more bullish here, Bonk breaks above 2000 and the open interest starts to go up a bit, I will probably buy, all right? And we can have some sort of a move like this. And then after that, we'll probably continue to be bearish. But that's a move like that. You can actually make some nice money off of that in even bearish market circumstances. So yeah, keep your eyes on that. Like I said, everything right now, including the momentum, including Bitcoin, including the technicals for Bonk, is indicating a move like this. But be prepared for both scenarios. And I think in general, shorting here is getting a little bit risky. So yeah, that's what I think you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Join our Discord and Telegram groups, still very active right now. I also am very active in there, so consider that. But for now, have a great weekend in advance. Take care and bye.